Hey friends, if you wish to fix NETERR CERT SYMANTEC LEGACY error on Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the Chrome browser. So how would you update the Chrome browser? Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select Help and then select About Chrome. Okay, it will start updating it by itself. The next solution is to check your date, time, and time zone. So I'll tell you the best way to make sure that you have it correct. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select date and time. Make sure that all of these three options are checked. I mean, the switches should be on. Then click on sync now. Wait till you get a tick mark. Then disable problematic Chrome extensions. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select extensions and click on manage extensions and remove any problematic extensions from here. The next solution will be to clear the Chrome cache. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select history and then select history once again. Delete browsing data and then select delete data. Obviously, you can try a different browser if the issue is specific to Chrome, and finally, you can reset Chrome if nothing else works. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar, open Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, click on reset settings, restore settings to the original defaults, and reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.